it can be connected to a normal mobile charger, and this one is a regulator 7773. It's a 3-point connector here. It's a normal voltage regulator. Actually it is an SMD component. I have soldered it like this. So with these two things